Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwashel and today we'll be recreating this style because we'll be editing some of the styles on this design. So I'll color my patterns. That's the bust, the back, and that's the front. And lastly, the shorts. This is the shorts that I will be creating. So first off, we'll be cutting out this pattern on the fabric. I folded them in half, then I cut out the patterns. So the purpose of that video or the picture you see is just an illustration. That is what I have in mind or what I had in mind when I thought of creating this style. I just wanted a really nice, I loved the design, but I didn't like the sleeve. And also there are some other things that I changed from the design, and you definitely see them as it goes. But this is the shorts. Now it's the shorts time. I love making shorts. Like, it was one of the easiest things for me to do so far. So now is the back. We're cutting the back. The back is a bit low. I can see from here that it's a bit low. I wanted it to be low so that, I mean, it's just the purpose of the design. So I'm cutting out the back right now, and this is the front. Now it's time to sew. Okay, so before we proceed, this is a disclaimer that I am not a certified fashion designer. I just love to make fits for myself and myself alone, because that way I get to wear it, and I have to adjust till it's my size or till it fits perfectly. And I don't think I can do that with other people. So I enjoy making clothes for myself. So currently, I was making the shorts and then I realized that I made a mistake. That's because it's been a long time I actually made or at times so give it hey. But that's like, it's been a long time, so I just had to take out the threads and start all over again. I mean, that's like the joy of it when the outfit comes out, right? All right, so at the end of this video there's a big announcement. It's like a I'm pitching out an idea to you, and I really hope you stay back and watch till the end. This is not a tutorial, okay? That is why I'm not talking or telling you what I'm doing here. I'm just trying to make the shorts. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to make the shorts here, and that's like the first thing I needed to do. Make out the short and join every side together, or all the sides together, and then we can move on to the video. The illustration, it was a play suit, but I have not really gotten or mastered the art of making play suits, so I decided to make a two-piece. That's like a top and the short. You get, so that way it's easier for me to work with. And I think the shirt is like 50% done here. This is me just stretching it out. Yes, sorry I didn't show you guys the full video. I didn't know my phone was not taking the full video. Pardon me. All right, so now that the short is like 50 or even 60% done, I decided to move to the top because I've never made this style. It's a milk-made design pattern at the front. Yes, this is it, and I just wanted to do it to make sure there's no error. Yes, that's it. I skipped so many parts. All right, just pardon me. Next time, I promise to always give you a detailed one. When I was stretching it out, there are some parts that I didn't like that I had to readjust again. But then, like I said, I didn't make all of the videos. I didn't show the process. But this is it, and now I've added the zipper for both the shorts and the top. Now this is the full one, including the zip. So yes, this is the full design. That's the fastener and the back of the top before I had the sleeve or like the belt to it. But this is the full design. Yeah, so now it's time to see the full outfit in 3, 2, 1. So this is the finished look. I hope you like it. Is the two-piece, it's not a dress, it's actually a two-piece. It did not reach the back, as I mean, from the inspiration I knew it was all around, but I just wanted it to like just give it. So this is an extra statement that I made. I think I can still share the sketch that I made. To like pardon the sketch, give it. So for the back, it does not have this detail. I just ended it here. And this is the back because I wanted to have this. I used the jeans because I was thinking it's going to give you a very firm look. I like just give it a very snatched, but alas, I was joking. So pardon me, and then the regular zip at the top. Yes, this is what it looks like. And here, okay, so and I also did not use the material here. I wanted to use something different, to just give it a new, just give it that special thing on the look. I was tired of this cloth. It was looking too plain to me. It was like too much. I just wanted a different detail. So I used, I think it's called organza. Okay, this is in for. And yeah, so now the special announcement at the end was I decided to make this a series where I pick out design. So I can just pick out two designs and I share it on Instagram. Please, if you're not following me on Instagram, please do. I will upload on my Instagram and also on my YouTube, of course. But if you're not following me on Instagram, please do that. My handle is right here. So make sure you do that. And then at the end of the month, I will show you the process and all that I did. Don't forget, I am not a fashion designer. I do not have any, what do I call it? I didn't go to anyone to learn this. All of these things I learned off of YouTube. As time goes on, I might let you guys pick out the designs for me. You just send in pictures, and the picture with the highest votes gets is what I'm going to make for that month. If you are interested, if you think it's a very good idea, please let me know in the comment section. And if you think I shouldn't go into it, just let me know. Okay, I won't. If you know it's not something you're going to enjoy, I won't do that. But yes, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this look. I hope you enjoy the process as much as I did. I know it wasn't a process, it wasn't like a tutorial. It was just me taking you through the process of making this dress because I'm still learning. I'm not going to teach you what I'm still learning. Okay, I still go to YouTube like 4 times before I can get one particular style. Oops. If I can get one particular style. So no, I would not be showing you. It's not a tutorial. It is a process. I will just show you the process of getting the fabrics, getting the. I don't even know the name of fabrics yet, but I will show you the process of getting the fabric, getting the materials, and every other thing that I do to make each dresses every month. Okay, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed creating this video for you. Don't forget to like. What are you doing? Sorry. Hold on. Okay, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, subscribe. What again? Comment down below. Let me know what you think about this beauty right here. Okay, and what else? Yes, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Have a good day. Have a great week. I love you. Bye.